I'm a big believer in focusing on needs and needs of the business. You probably all have some, if not all of the things on the left side of this slide. They're kind of fundamental. I would challenge you to focus on the right-hand side, the true needs of the business in order to be successful and really guide your path. I think a great example of this is the last bullet. Are you mired in old legacy technology that's comfortable for you and your team? It really contributes nothing to create an exceptional customer experience that drives retention and leverages the power of the social network. Certainly, I understand changing an operating system is painful. I know that it is, but in many cases, it's going to be necessary as we look down the road and for us to keep up with the changing dynamics of our industry, but not only the changing dynamics of our industry and technology, but also the changing dynamics of consumer behavior as well and how they like to be engaged. So that's one of the tough ones, I think, because we get mired in what we've done, we've always done, and it's hard to look and as well as to open yourself up to look outside your business to see how others are doing as well within that benchmarking. So